The design of today's reinforced concrete structures is far more innovative than it has been in the past due to the demands for more complex structures to be built faster than ever before. Regardless of the complexity of the structures, engineers and designers still have to produce drawings and detail and fabricate to get these structures built. Because of this, the need for a unified design process from concept to analysis, to design, to detailing, to fabrication is crucial. Bentley's ProConcrete provides seamless design throughout the entire project lifecycle. Structural engineers, detailers, designers, and fabricators can model parametric reinforced concrete objects of any shape. It enables the fast creation of placing drawings, fabrication details, bar bending schedules, concrete quantity and material reports directly from the 3D model with automatic updates to reflect changes. With ProConcrete, you can model any reinforced concrete shape to 100% accuracy with the as-built condition, using simple and easy-to-use tools for advanced 3D modeling of reinforced concrete structures. Deliver multifaceted and detailed proposals that are customized to user preferences. Save time while reducing errors and omissions with accurate project designs. ProConcrete's interoperability enables you to reuse structural data without having to rebuild it manually, easily exchange information with other disciplines, and work in multiple environments. Minimize data duplication through the accurate sharing of structural data across the entire project team. Detect clashes against any element in the 3D model. You can interactively and graphically review these clashes, annotate or mark up particular clashes, and then assign them for follow-up. You can also deliver high-quality, customizable documentation to help you clearly communicate design intent and provide reports that are 100% accurate. When changes are made to the 3D model, changes are automatically reflected in the drawings without user intervention. This greatly mitigates risks by removing manual updates from the process. Additionally, you can superimpose the 2D sections onto the 3D model. This also reduces risk and lets you align your 2D with your 3D model. Review and share feedback on models and drawings to resolve issues and make better decisions faster in the field by using iModels. Access and leverage ProConcrete's data-rich models and project information whenever and wherever it is required. Users around the world are employing ProConcrete throughout the entire project lifecycle, from viewing reinforcing models on mobile devices for construction, detecting clashes between rebar and other disciplines like civil and mechanical, to allowing clients to review models anywhere without installing heavy desktop applications. With ProConcrete, you can model anything and detail everything.